Hi and welcome to this video. In this video, we will download MinGW, which will install our GNU GCC and G++ compiler for C and C++ languages respectively. So, by the end of this video, you will be able to run both C and C++ programs on your Windows machine. One note over here, for Apple's Mac devices, you will need to download the Xcode app from the Mac App Store for compiling the C and C++ programs. Now open this web page. I will give the link to this web page in video description. Now scroll down a little bit and click on this button over here, which states mingw-get-setup.exe. It will download a setup file for MinGW. Now, after downloading, open or run the file to begin the installation process. Now here, click on Install. Now select where you wish to install the packages. I would recommend to leave the settings to defaults and click on Continue. Now it will download some basic packages to set up the installation process. It should just take few seconds over here. Once it has completed the basic process, click Continue to proceed. Now right click on the checkboxes which I select and click Mark for installation. So it automatically selected the first and last package. Now select the second package which states MinGW base. Apply the same process, right click and click on Mark for installation. And at last select the fifth package which states MinGW-GCC-G++. So basically, this package will contain the files for our C and C++ compilers. Now come to Menu, select Installation, click Apply Changes and click on Apply. Now it will begin the downloading process. Generally, it will take about 10 to 15 minutes to complete. So I will just fast forward the process for you. So when it will finish downloading and installing the packages, it will show this dialog box. Click Close to exit. Close this window also. Now before we start writing C programs, there is one more thing to be done for Windows users. Mac users can skip this part. To successfully compile the programs, you need to set up your environment variables. So firstly, go to the location where you stored your MinGW packages. So in my case, it is in C drive. Now open the MinGW folder. Open the bin folder now and copy this path by pressing Ctrl C and then close this window. Now in the search bar, search for Advanced System Settings. And click on the first option which states View Advanced System Settings. Now click on Environment Variables. Now below here in System Variables, select the variable path and click on Edit. Click on New and press Ctrl V to paste the path. And then click on OK. Now close these other windows also. Now, to test whether our compilers are set up successfully, open command prompt. And type gcc space --version. If everything is perfectly done, then you should see a message like this. So this proves that your C compiler is set up perfectly. Now let us test also for the G++ compiler which compiles C++ programs. So type G++ space --version and press enter. You should see similar messages like above. So now you can compile both C and C++ programs. So thanks for watching. Meet you in future video.